Ever found yourself struggling to maintain a regular gym routine? It's a common struggle, isn't it? The hustle and bustle of modern life can often leave us with little time to dedicate to keeping fit. And then there's the commute to and from the gym. It's not just about the time, but also the inconvenience. Imagine packing your gym bag, battling traffic or crowded public transportation, only to arrive at a gym filled with people. It can be quite intimidating, especially for those just starting on their fitness journey, or those who prefer a little privacy while working out. These challenges can easily discourage us, leading to inconsistent workouts, which in turn hinder our fitness progress. The inconsistency can be frustrating, can it? You're putting in the effort, but the obstacles keep getting in the way. But what if there was a solution that could eliminate these obstacles and make working out more convenient? Enter the game changer, portable home gyms. A portable home gym, as the name suggests, is a compact and mobile version of a traditional gym, designed to bring the workout experience to your home or wherever you may be. These fitness marvels are a testament to the age-old saying, "Big things come in small packages." The primary charm of a portable home gym lies in its convenience and flexibility. No more being tethered to gym hours or braving the traffic to maintain your fitness routine. With a portable home gym, you can break a sweat anytime, anywhere, even during a lunch break or a vacation. But convenience doesn't mean compromise. These compact powerhouses can offer the variety of exercises you'd expect from a full-size gym. From resistance training to cardio workouts, a portable home gym can cater to a wide range of fitness levels and goals. Now, let's talk numbers. While the initial investment may seem steep compared to a monthly gym membership, the cost-effectiveness of a portable home gym shines through in the long run. Think about it. No more monthly fees, no commuting costs, and the freedom to work out whenever you want. It's a win-win situation for your health and your wallet. So with a portable home gym, you can say goodbye to missed workouts and hello to a more fit and healthier you. Ready to start your fitness journey with a portable home gym? Fantastic! We've handpicked some of the best options available and listed them in the description below. You'll find a variety of choices catering to different needs and budgets. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced fitness enthusiast, there's a perfect portable home gym waiting for you. Remember, the best gym is the one that you will use consistently. So choose the right portable home gym for you and start your fitness journey today.